The RD88 has got a global compressor effect that can be switched on by pressing the dedicated button. To edit the setting, just press and hold the Shift button while pressing the compressor button. You enter the compressor screen, in which you can modify all parameters. Be careful not to increase too much the gain values, or some sounds can become distorted. The best way to use the global compressor is when you need to adjust the global sound according to the audio system you connect your RD88.